Guys, have some bad news. Unfortunately, had a little accident. Look at the state of the bike. Just had a head-on-head collision with a CNG. This is being cooked on fire, and then look, it turns into this. Murad bhai, this is Murad, brother Murad from Satok. What's going on, people? Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Satok, Sylhet. Satok, Sylhet is a part of Bangladesh, very famous place in Bangladesh. This is the town center. As you can see, I'm gonna go and check this place out. We've got cement factories here. You got so many different factories. You've got the people, the hospitality, you know, everything. There's restaurants here. There's so many things to see here. So it's gonna be a bit spontaneous. I'm with my friend right now, Rabbi bhai.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
My friend, got another biker here as well. Yo, what you saying? Say hello, man. Say what's up. Hello. So look at this, guys. Jam here, bro. Look at this. As you know, it's the election season now, guys, so it's very, very busy. Today is the last day of election candidates or something like that, guys. Look, I'm not a politician, so I don't know how politics works. You know what I'm saying? I call it politics, politics. You know why, Balo? Oh no, I can't buy. You shouldn't me. Look at this, guys. Look at this traffic. কি খবর ভাই ভালো হ্যাঁ কি খবর Nice. Alright guys, so look at this city, guys. This is a northeast side of Bangladesh, guys, right next to the Indian border. This is kind of like my hometown as well. For my parents, my mum and dad were born around here. Oh, that's a school. They're making a brand new school, guys. Nice. Look at that. So we're gonna go check this place out. First thing we need to do is we need to go and get some food, because I'm hungry right now. And the time is right now 1:30, guys, or 1:30 in the afternoon. We're chilling in Satok on a bike. We're about to go and get some food. So they go around on CNGs, and they basically, you know, do some campaigning for the politicians and stuff. So you see a lot of that in Sylhet right now because of the elections. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in a sec. Let me see what I'm gonna eat.
0 point.
Kitego?
0 point.
0 point. Okay, this is 0 point, guys. This is the main Satok, main point of Satok. Right in the middle, bang in the middle of Satok. Look at that, riverside. Nice. Look at this, guys. Wow. This is where they dig, break all the stones. There's a stone bit over there. They break it and they sell it off to different countries like China, India, all around the world. Beautiful. So let me show you the stones. Ota fattor thar bangya beche na ni bibhinno desho.
Eta theke sono hoy, mane pani poriskar hoy, sob kichu eta sona pathor. So
these are stones where they grind it and then they basically use it to clean certain things. Aguno rupre. This is being cooked on fire, and then look, it turns into this, and then that. So there's different stages of breaking stones. You have to cook the stones first, you have to process it, then you have to grind it, get the right texture of stones. What's this? More stones here. Look at this.
ওখান থেকে ডাইরেক্ট হলো মেইন মাড্ডা আকার চিটাগাং যে কোন জায়গা দিতে পারবা ও সাইড দিয়ে আর এই সাইড দিলো সিলেট
Sylhet. Oh, okay. So.
সুরমা
Obaydi.
সিলেট সুরমা সিলেট যায় আর এটা হলো সুরমা মেইন জায়গা মেইন আস্তে বাংলাদেশ যে কোন জায়গা দিতে পারবা
Okay. So basically, it's not a road actually, guys. I was mistaken. So it's by boat. Basically, you can go to Sylhet through this way, which is the Shurma Nodi. This is the Shurma River, which goes all the way to Sylhet. And then this way, it goes towards all the other districts to Dhaka, Chittagong, you know, all of the other places that you can get to in Dhaka. Well, in Bangladesh, it's this way basically. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful, guys. Look at this. Lovely. And then we got stones. Yeah. So Satok, the main business in Satok is stones. You're selling stones basically. So you grind the stones down and then you sell it off to different countries, and they transport it through boats. As you can see, there's boats that are getting filled up with stones, and then they go to different parts of Bangladesh and also different countries. Alright guys, so we're gonna try out some food in Satok. Check it out. We're at this place here. I'm gonna go and check it out. I think it's a coffee shop. Let's see. Oh, it smells really nice in here. Assalamualaikum bhai, ki khabar bhalo? Bhai film kotan parbo ni? Thik ache ni? Thank you bhai. Okay, let's take a seat. Very hot. Fan আছে নি ভাই, গরম লাগে রে ভাই। Guys, it's very hot in here. Got a jumper on. It's winter, but when you're on a bike, it gets really cold. So yeah, let me just check out what food they got here. Alright, this is the menu. Check the menu out. Okay, they got music, so I won't be able to film much. But let me just quickly order my food and I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, we've got the food now. Got this juice. I don't know what juice this is. I think it's lemon. Look at this burger. Ooh, nice. Chips. And you got the dips. Just there. Lovely. Yeah, so let's dig in. Alright, so I'm just going straight for the chips first. Chili sauce. Guys, in this country, ketchup doesn't exist, okay? It's all about chili. Alright? It's all about chili in this country. Ketchup, tomato ketchup, non-existent. Bismillah. Nice. It's a good thing they give gloves because I got my hands dirty already. I have washed my hands though. I'll try gloves. Alright guys, so let's try this burger out. Satok burger, guys, yeah? This is Satok Sylhet burger. I'm gonna eat it upside down. Bismillah. Nice. Really tasty. Let me show you what's inside the burger. Okay, you got lettuce, then you got the crispy chicken, and you got some sort of sauce, spicy as usual, and then you got some tomato there as well. Really nice. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this food was really nice. It's actually even better than some 5-star restaurants and hotels. Delicious. Also got this drink here. Kita drink kita mint lemon. Alright guys, mint lemon. Let's try this out. Bismillah. Ooh. Very strong mint. Very nice, very fresh. Really good for the stomach. Delicious. Guys, so free chicken burger and fries was 1,005 taka. So that's like £6-7, $6-7, something like that. Anyway, yeah, thank you very much. Dhanyabad. Assalamu alaikum. Really nice. We out on the streets, busy streets of Sylhet. Getting on the bikes, and then we're hitting the roads again. Guys, have some bad news. Unfortunately, had a little accident. Look at the state of the bike. Just had a head-on-head collision with a CNG. Really bad. Now I gotta get myself out of here, because apparently the person, I wasn't driving at the time, but the person that got injured, they're part of some syndicate party or some sort of big mafia crew, so I have to get myself out of here. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get myself out of here. But very sticky situation right now. Alright guys, so I escaped from the madness. Luckily I wasn't on the bike, my cousin was on the bike. The bike that I was riding last 3 days had a very bad accident. At the moment I am in Club Row in Sylhet, Sylhet. This is Club Row. See where the bazaar is. Different shops, different things to eat. Look at this. But yeah, it was a bit of a sticky situation, because the guy that he had the accident with was a CNG driver, and he was in a state. His blood gushing from his head. Oh my god, it was horrible scenes. But I wasn't there. Thankfully, I wasn't there. I was somewhere else. I was on this bike actually. I was with my guy here. But hopefully, inshallah, the guy survives. He's in hospital now. But yeah, it was his own fault. And here we are now, Club Row. Ikut nam kita? Sandibag. Alright, cool. So this is Sandibag. So guys, I've got a little bag on me. Very difficult to hold. There it is. Beautiful is the mosque right there. So you can go relax in the scene. Assalamu alaikum. Got a lot of people having a shower, washing the body. Some boats there. Look at that boat. That's nearly like sinking. But obviously that's full of cement and stones and stuff, so they transport it to one ship to another ship. All of these ships here that you see here and the ones over there are the ones basically that's where they take all the rocks and stones and they transport it to other parts, like I showed you before. But yeah, beautiful. So this place, this market is for basically, I've been told it's for more of a poor shopping centre. Shopping centre meaning a shopping market where people come and you know, buy their clothes and groceries and stuff. Cool. Are we out? Shibari. Nice. As you can see guys, just on the distance, that's the cement factory over there. It's the main cement
railway
factory.
roof line. India থেকে পাথর আইতো railway পাথর আই
Right.
roof line.
So see that there's a line that goes straight to India. There's a little what's it called? I forgot the name. Those little things where you transport stuff straight to India. Cable car, a cable car basically.
railway যে পাথরগুলো আছে না
হ্যাঁ
ও পাথরগুলো আই ওটা
Okay, so there's a cable line somewhere there where they transport all the goods to India. Nice. Only cable? Oh, so that's the cable. Okay, so that's where
ওখান থেকে
they transport it from, huh?
রেলে আসতো বাংলাদেশের সুবিধা আছে
Okay, so this is where they transport the goods to Bangladesh as well, within Bangladesh. So this is the train tracks, and then just there is where they transport to India. Beautiful. Oh, that's the factory, right? Oh, factory nani? Cement. So that's the cement factory, guys, by the way, okay? Cement factory. There's a lot of factories in Sato. You know, a lot of business around here. Alright, guys, so we're at this place right now. A couple of guys from Sato to showing me around. This ends. Well, you've got to be very careful when you cross the road, guys. Look at this big truck.
Oh, Shimon! Shimon, sorry.
Look at this big ass truck. Nice. Area nam kita?
Lavas Ghat.
Lavas Ghat. Ferry Ghat.
Ah.
Oh, Ferry Ghat. Nice. This is Sato Ferry Ghat, guys. Yeah. Famous Ferry Ghat. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, খুব সুন্দর লাগে তো। তো ওই লাগি সিমেন্ট ফ্যাক্টরি নাই নি? Sorry, but আপনার নাম ভাইছে, আপনার নাম কি তা? Murad. Murad ভাই, this is Murad, brother Murad from Sato. ও ভাই, আপনার নাম হোক কা? নাম কি তা হোক কা?
আমার নাম কইয়া কিতা অফিসের নালি আবার
না।
মাইছে তো জানতইবো
This is brother MRDS. Alright, this brother is MRDS. He's a famous rapper in Sato, Sylhet. Nakitaba? Sato nani? He's got. He's this yeah, it's from Ferry God. Sato is a rapper in Sylhet. Really good rapper as well. Check his videos out. I'll try and leave the link in the description. But yeah, he's repping Sato, Sylhet, Bangladesh, guys. Alright, big up. Look at this ferry. Lovely. Because of the accident, the area got a bit hot. Police started coming and stuff like that. But you know, alhamdulillah, it wasn't me. You know, I wasn't driving, so I'm not a stupid driver as well. So anyway, let's just hope the driver's good. Inshallah, he survives. He should be alright. It wasn't that bad from what I've been told. Anyway, guys, a short little journey of Sato, Bangladesh. And next time, hopefully, if I come here, I can show you more. Sorry, I couldn't show you much. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Anyway, take care. Peace out.